Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining me. I'm Kathy with Sheek Organizing Solutions. This morning, I want to talk with you about making the most efficient use of your time and space for getting ready in the morning. I don't know about you, but when I get ready in the morning, I like to know that I'm going to be putting on all my makeup and taking care of everything. And sometimes I forget, right? Like I might get to work and I've forgotten my lipstick, or I forgot to put my blush on, or I forgot my earrings, or something silly, or I forgot to do my hair. I mean, you can get to the most funny places and think, oh my gosh, I forgot to brush my teeth. I mean, how many of you have ever had that happen? So it's just embarrassing, and it's like, what's happening? So let's take a look here at what I have, and maybe your morning looks a little bit like this. You've got stuff all over your bathroom counter, right? You've got all the stuff you need, and maybe you've got a drawer or something that looks like this. Everything is handy and convenient, but oh my goodness, it's just not organized in a way that we can make sure that we're using everything that we need. Okay, let's start by suggesting that you take everything out of whatever drawer space you have. Absolutely, everything can come out of there. You can wipe the drawer down and get a nice new piece of non-stick paper or something like that so your things stay put while they're inside the drawer. So after I emptied this drawer, I sorted everything and put everything like with like. So the things that I want to make sure that I use every single day, I sorted over here. Some things I want to get rid of over there. My essential oils here and there for now. And then other miscellaneous things, hair products, extra supplies that I'm not using right now, deodorant, mouthwash, and a couple of tools that I like to have handy, like my eyebrow pencil sharpener and a little pair of scissors. Once I know how much I have of each item, then I can decide what kind of a container they might go in so that it makes it easier for me to use them. I have found some containers, just these little plastic, inexpensive containers from the dollar store, work great. Also, you can use old small boxes from iPhone cases. These are fantastic and they're great for storage. They hold up really well. So I have started the sorting process. Things that I don't use too often are going to go in smaller containers. This is actually going to go under the sink because it has some taller items in it and it won't fit inside the drawer. And over here, I still have my makeup items that I want to go in this drawer. So I have decided that I'm going to use this long container, and then these will just slide right in, and it'll go all the way to the back, and then this one will nestle right in next to it. So you can see how those will go. And now I'm going to put my makeup in here, and let's see how it works out. Okay, now you can see that everything that I want is right here at my fingertips. But you might be looking at that space and saying, wow, I mean, I can see that it's all in there, but I can't really see what's there or how to get to it or anything else. So I have one more tip to show you, and this is really the key to making sure that you don't forget anything in the morning. And now the best tip of the day, making sure you don't forget any item in the morning. Take this container with all the stuff in it, dump it out on a towel right there next to the sink or wherever you're putting your makeup on. Pop that thing right back in its spot, and then as you use each item, foundation and your brush, you pop everything back in, lipstick, blush, it doesn't matter what order you do it in. Everything is going to go right back in, and you're not going to forget a single item in your routine. So the last item I have here is the mouthwash, face and skincare, and hair products. Medicine if you have it, anything like that that you need to remember first thing in the morning. The same principle applies. And then find a convenient place under the cabinet to hold that basket so it's easy for you to get to. Thanks so much for joining me. From Kathy and Sheek Organizing Solutions. Have a great day.